guys, TinaGale here, and I am back with the third installment for the Simple Stories Online Fresh Air event. So today I'm going to share the bonus layout and the cards that we did for our final weekend together. Just like the other videos, I'm going to share what I had left. If you've missed any of the previous videos, I'll have them linked at the end so you can go back and catch up on them. There's also a video of the kit that I did that shows everything that you got in the beginning. But once we were done, I have several 12 by 12 pattern papers left, and I have lots of scraps. So this is full of scraps, a couple of the chipboard frames, some of the smaller, thinner scraps, and then half a page of the cut-aparts. I have an alphabet sticker. These are fussy cut from one of the pattern papers that I just stuck in here along with a die cut. This is the leftovers from the sticker sheet, the puffy stickers, the ephemera, the enamel dots, the flower bits, the chipboard and brads, and the sticker book, which still has lots left. So I have plenty to create even more. So let's dig in. I'm going to show you, let's go to the layout first so I can kind of move in. So this was our bonus layout, and this was a lot of fun. There is so much to this layout that just does not show up until you're creating it. But we used one of the chipboard frames back here just for a layer, and then there's paper, a little journaling tag bit. What else? Foam stickers, the alphabet that we had, more foam stickers, little ephemera pieces and pieces that we cut out of like the cut apart cards. Just so much going on this layout. But I absolutely adore this. This is different from her layout. She had a big 5x5 photo in here and then two more down here. I didn't have those. I just had the two photos here, and so I just played around, changed up the embellishments a little bit, and had a lot of fun. We have stitching on this one as well, done in the pink like we did the other projects. So again, another gorgeous, gorgeous layout. Then next we have the cards, which the cards I did change up. Most of the cards that I make, I usually end up giving them to my mother to send out, and she does not like the bulk because she likes to put them in the mail. And Jana's was very dimensional, lots of foam tape and pop-ups, and so I changed those out. And sometimes I changed out the pieces. Like this one, I know she used different pieces on the card, but it's okay. And I have plenty to make more. So this was one of them. I just love them. They're just full of Jana's scenes and the way that she just puts things together and the patterns together. So this was a little tag. We have a sticker here, and then lots of little stickers overlaying each other to create a scene. This one's very different from what she did, but I wanted to just keep it very flat and simple, so I didn't do everything. She had several layers of other things on top of it, but again, still cute, just very, very simple. This one's a little bit different in the embellishments that I used as well. She used a lot of the chipboard pieces plus foam, and really, I hate using chipboard and brads and things on cards because I feel like it's a waste because you don't know if people are going to keep them. Most people don't keep their cards. I'd rather put them on a layout. So I use die cuts and stickers mostly on the cards, but I love how this one turned out. These are all so sweet. This is another one that had more on here than this, but I just kept it simple. Some little twine. This one does have one of the chipboard pieces on it for the title. And then this was our last one. Got to feature that little chicken here. Super cute. Again, I think this is missing some other pieces. So her cards were much more detailed and layered up. But again, I feel like these are just as cute. They're cute, simple, and flat so that you could mail them. So that was our final class. And then we did a wrap-up event where we just got to talk with each other. This group was a really fun group. We laughed. We had so much fun during the live scrapping time. So I'm really glad that I did it. The next one is open and it's featuring Just Beachy. So if you want to join the next Simple Stories online event, I'll have a link down below. Be sure to check it out and get signed up. So if you have any questions about the event or anything else, be sure to leave them down below. I'd be happy to answer anything that you have a question about. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.